Spring is in the air and Easter is upon us, so you know what that means. It's time for some entertaining. I'm here at Carrier House and Sharon's called me up and invited me to set her Easter table. Let's go inside. That's where I really started to love the art of entertaining. Best piece of advice I could give is to be prepared. You want to do everything ahead of time as much as you can, because if you can prepare ahead of time, then that makes it easier on you and you can enjoy the day. You cannot have Thanksgiving without a beautiful centerpiece and tablescape. So I'm here at Magnolia Hill with Mary Lane Haskell, singer, actress, and writer of The Displaced Debutante. So she's going to give us a tutorial on how to create this beautiful centerpiece that's going to make sure that your Thanksgiving is absolutely beyond. So Mary Lane, take it away. Halloween doesn't just happen. It takes a little bit of prep and a little bit of effort. So Sharon and I are sharing some of our devilish details that are guaranteed to make your monster mash a total scream. What I love about these little dessert bites, they're a little donut hole that's been dipped in white chocolate, is they're as easy as dip and decorate. Labor Day may be over, but that doesn't mean our grills are closed. In fact, with football season in full swing, it's Grilling Central. I'm here in this beautiful outdoor kitchen with my friend Becky, and she's here to give us some outdoor grilling tips. Today we are starting with a delicious apple crisp. Okay, so I'm gonna get chopping on these apples, Becky, while you tell us all what goes into this recipe.
Okay, when you're tailgating, you need a quick and easy shortcut for your recipe. So our secret weapon is a cake mix.
Halloween has come and gone, we've all survived the election, and Thanksgiving is right around the corner. So you know what that means. It's time for some holiday shopping. I'm standing here in front of the brand new Marshalls for the grand opening. Let's see what some people had to say.